Let's take a look at how we can change a print driver on a network printer in Windows Server 2019. So we can start by going into either Control Panel or Print Management. And Print Management's installed by default, so I'm going to do that instead because it looks a little bit more like what we're going to use on a daily basis as IT administrators. So we go to Tools, Print Management in Server Manager, and we see one of our printers. So I want to change the print driver on this one to a new print driver. So if I right-click and I go to Properties, and from here I click on Advanced, I can change the driver by clicking on the drop-down and choose the driver that I want. Now if I don't see the driver in the drop-down that I want, I can click on New Driver, click Next, and I can choose any one of the drivers that are available here, or I can click on Have Disk and browse to where the driver is. Now let's say I don't have the driver. Well, we can go to the vendor site. In this case, we've got HP. And in HP, they've got a section for support and printer drivers. So all you have to do is type in the printer driver that you want, download it, and then double-click on it, unzip it, and then you'll be able to browse to it and change your driver. And once you do that, you can click OK, and then you'll have the new driver in the list there. If you take a look at the playlist, I have some additional printer videos that might also help you with the print drivers from the internet. So that's how you change a print driver in Windows Server 2019.